we're going to do this phenomenal design. Very simple. And again, we're going to use back of any of your brushes. Let's put a little bit of acrylic. White acrylic we're using. It's my preference actually. It does create a beautiful snowy personality. And similar like I would paint my tree, I will show how tree grows like this. If it's a little bit imperfect, I'll just do one more time and one more time. And I'm looking here. See a little bit angled, so that's okay. We can do it like this. Imperfection makes it even prettier. And I just move. Now you can move just completely different direction. Or some of the dots could be a little bit thicker, others smaller. It doesn't really matter. To show what a beautiful snowy day it is. Look. So I'll fill a little bit this one. I'm going to fill a little bit more in these spaces as well. So that's, in this case, I'm using just white. In my previous bag, I also used red acrylic. So if you'd like to add red or any other color, you can just fill inside space with different acrylic. Or you can put a beautiful star on top. Let's see whether we can, let's see where we can do a star here. Maybe in this way, like this, like this, like this. Just a light, doesn't matter what you're going to use, end of this brush or this. It's a little bit, I actually like this. It's actually ready. Our acrylic is completely dry, just about 5 minutes while we were painting others. And let's do some glitter. And let's do our star.